basically am a free agent at this point.
Well, there you have it. Some of the biggest off-season news to come out recently. Ken Roczen, Honda are, at the moment, done. Obviously, he signed up to do the World Supercross title, and apparently Honda just said, no, we only want to offer you a Supercross title, and that is it for the moment.
Honda decided to pull the offer that they gave me, a week or a couple of weeks ago, which, by the way, was a great offer. I mean, if I wanted to go after the money, then that would have been the smart thing for me to do. But I have committed to these races, and I didn't feel comfortable at all to leave fans hanging.
This was all announced on the Bubba's World podcast with Stuart, and obviously there's an hour-long talk of him saying a bunch of stuff. So if you want to watch it, I'll link it down below. You can go spend your time and see it, but there's a lot to cover in it. And he says, here that he's obviously not against riding for Honda.
It's not that I won't sign with Honda in the future. It's just right now they made it very clear. They drew the line in the sand. They pulled the offer.
He signed with the HRC team back in 2017, obviously riding for KTM and for Suzuki before that, and he does go on to say that he will be riding the Honda in the Red Bull Straight Rhythm over in Europe on the beach. So it's not like he's completely done with them yet, but who knows what's going to happen. Obviously, he is a big name. He is a fast rider. He is one of the biggest talents, one of the most known talents in the sport. So it depends on what team wants to give him an offer. He says in the interview that he's ready to ride 2023 Supercross and motocross. So he's not looking for just a 2023 Supercross contract. So who knows? I mean, obviously there is a lot of teams, very few open spots at the moment. But, I mean, somebody's going to pick him up. There's no way that Ken Roczen, still in a later stage, but still in one of the prime of his career, one of the fastest guys in the sport, on the starting grid, whatever you want to call it. There's no way that he's not going to get picked up. Depends on, who knows, maybe KTM wants to ride a third bike like they did with Dungey this year, or maybe Gas comes in, or who knows, maybe Triumph comes in. But you tell me in the comments below, who do you think he's going to get picked up by? How well he's going to do in World Supercross, whatever it is. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really helps me and I appreciate it. And I'll see y'all later. Peace.